Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video, we were talking about the calendar and we have already created the calendar and we have assigned it to. Now in this session, we would customize the calendar. Customizing means adding the holidays, adding the half days. So how we can add holidays and half days, that we will do here. So first of all, what I will do here is I will change the activities. So this is the problem. And what is the problem? Once the activity is created prior to the calendar, so you need to change it one by one. So what we have to do is we have to create the calendar before creating the schedule. So what should be the sequence? I will let you know the schedule also sequence or as well. What should be the proper sequence so that you can avoid this conflict, because you have a number of activities and we don't want to do this one by one because it is very hectic. And see, again, what I will do here is I will schedule it like this. So everything is same. Earlier the duration was 326 days. Now it is 326 days. Start date was 1st September. Start date is 1st September. But there the date was November, but here it is showing you 15 September. So this is the point. This is because of we are using the Saturday also. So this Saturday we are using, that's why it is showing you 15 September. Now what I will do here, I will add one holiday. Let's add the holidays here. So for adding the holidays, first of all, let's understand what should be the sequence and what we have covered till now in the entire video. So you can see here. The first of all, first we have created EPS, and second part we have created OBS. OBS we have created. Third part is to create project in the third sequence. And the fourth, the ideal situation, create calendar. You need to create calendar and assign it to, right? Assign the calendar as well. Customization can be done at any point of time because calendar has been assigned, so no need to change one by one. This is the problem. So the problem is you are changing all the calendar in the each activities. This is the problem. That's why what we are doing, we are creating calendar, assigning a calendar after just creating the projects. Now here create WBS. Now create WBS, then create activity, right? Then go to the duration, add the duration, then make relations among the activities, then add lag, then add lead, then add float, then add milestone. And if it is required, then you can add constraints also. So this should be the sequence. Once you do that, that means you will be able to create the total planned duration of your project. Total planned duration of your projects. So this, the whole sequence, this is the sequence and this is called schedule. This is called schedule. So what is the schedule? Schedule means that means you are able to create the total planned duration of your project, that is called schedule. So now, as of now, what we are doing here, we are creating the customizing the calendar. So what I will do here, I will go to the calendar and go to this modify button, and here you can see if the project is starting from the 1st of September. So let's say ki this 14th of September is the holiday. So what I will do here is I will select this and keep it as non-work. Keep it as a non-work. Then okay. See here. And once it is non-work, then the hours is showing you 0. Okay, then close it. Now again, schedule it. So 15 September would become 16 September. See this 16 September because the holiday you have added. Let's create one more holidays. How can edit the one more holidays? So again, I will go to the calendar and go to this modify button. And here, let's say this is the holiday. So I will keep it as a non-work. Then okay, then close it. Again, schedule it. So it will reflect here. Now see this. So this way you can add. Now let's say again I'm adding. Now I'm adding half day. So what I will make it, let's say this 16 September, right? 16. So 22. 22, I'm making it half day. It's 5 hours. So 5 hours, that means this is half day. Okay, then close it, then schedule it. So this way we can add the half day as well. So half day, adding the half day, adding the full day, full holidays, that we can see here, everyone. Now, hope you enjoyed the class, hope you understood the part. Now, in the next class, we are going to cover the next move of our project planning and project management. Keep updating, do practice. Practice is very important. Otherwise, without practicing, it is very tough to understand project planning and project management. Thank you, everyone. We will meet in the next class.